fuel. Got my bar oil. Got my hard hat, gloves, and I got a little saw right here, and some shears. We all set. Let go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I'm at the cutover on the land, and I'm trying to thin some of the trees out, and space it out to where they'll look neat and they'll grow nice. I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. I just started. So the other day I pulled a lot of the brush out and piled it up over here. And then back here I got a pile, and I pulled that log out with the tractor. I just took this nice sized tree down right here. probably 8-inch tree. As y'all can see, y'all close up of what I'm doing. It was a little strenuous trying to navigate these briars, man. They are brutal. But man, let me show y'all something I found over here when I cut this one down. Look at this little hummingbird nest right here. Look how small it is. Look at that. Look at that. Like, you know, the size of my thumb. Look how small it is compared to my thumb. That's a little hummingbird nest. So I don't know if it was in the tree or if it was, you know, in one of the bushes, or, you know, in the thorn patch. But yeah, I need to wear some long sleeves out here. You see it done got me. I got a couple of spots where them thorns got me. I'm gonna leave this tree here, even though it's a gum branch. What is it called? I think it's a gum branch tree. I like the canopy on it. Got a decent canopy. Pretty straight. So I'm gonna leave that, and we're gonna get this tree cleaned up and all, and just trying to clean up the property a little bit. And I knocked this tree down. It's about, I guess, 4 to 5 inches in diameter. So I think and I might bring my tractor over to get some of these thorns out the way, get some of this briar out the way. This tree will be next. Let me see, that one's, yeah, that little cluster right there. I need to get rid of this one. It's leaning towards this way. I might take out all of these. I don't know. But I'm gonna try to get some of these smaller ones cut down for now. And then I'll navigate to them bigger ones. I gotta build my confidence up to get them big ones down now. Here's a dead tree. And those are dangerous too. Thankfully, it doesn't have any limbs on it, so I wouldn't have to worry about the limbs falling on me while I'm cutting it. So I might be able to push this over with the tractor. It's completely rotted out. It has no limbs on it. This is a nice, beautiful pine that I'm gonna leave. And this one right here gotta go, man. It's leaning real bad because it's trying to get sunlight. And yeah, I'm gonna take that one down. That's a big one too. That's a big one. And then I'll take this one out too, and that one behind it, I'll take that one out just to have a nice canopy for that pine tree. And then some of the other small trees over here, I'm gonna just thin it out. And I can do it over time. I don't have to hit all of them right now. I can just take them out. Especially on this cutover. This is not really priority, but I do want to clear some of them out. But yeah, believe it or not, this marks the biggest tree that I've cut down. I'm a novice, yo. I'm a novice. And man, you can see where that thing hit the field, man. That's some weight on that. You gotta be careful with these trees. You gotta always be paying attention. And yeah, y'all, I know I don't have no chaps on. They are on the way. And I know I don't have no safety glasses on or no hearing protection. So I'm violating my own policy, but yeah, I won't comment on that. I know I'm supposed to be wearing it, so I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, let me get this small tree down and we'll go from there. Let go. Oh, I actually wanted to comment on, it actually fell exactly where I wanted it to fall. So I got that part right. And y'all see, man, I couldn't tell how tall these trees were. So I was like, man, I'm making sure that they don't hit my truck. Let's keep moving. Let's keep going. Let go. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the tractor and push it. I think it's the vines and stuff are keeping it in place, so I'm not able to push it over, with me. So I think the best and safest option right now is to get my tractor, and we'll go from there. I need to get it anyways because I want to take out some of the briar out the way. So yeah, let go. All right. I cleaned up a little bit of the briar. The goal is to, it's already leaning. So I might not have to do a back cut on it. But I'm gonna clear out these out the way, and I'm gonna try to drop it right there. Whew. Keep it snagged up. think I pinched it. Yeah, it's pinched real bad. I need some wedges. I'm gonna have to get some wedges to get it out. I shouldn't have did it that way. I wasn't intending on going in on from that side. I was gonna go on the back side, that way it does a pinch when the weight drops. But yeah, my fault on that one.